In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing with Whop, Full Beginner Guide 2026. We'll move from logging in to choosing great offers to tracking results so you can start earning as soon as possible. Start by signing into Whop and heading to your dashboard. That dashboard is your command center, and it's where you'll manage offers, links, and payouts. From the left sidebar, click Affiliates. This opens your affiliate workspace. Next, in the top right, open the Affiliate Marketplace. This is where you'll browse products you can promote. As you scroll through the list, pay attention to a few key stats. The commission rate shows the percentage you'll earn per sale. Earnings indicates how well the offer has performed overall. Conversion rate tells you the portion of clicks that turn into buyers. And earnings per click, or EPC, helps you estimate how much each click could be worth. Pick high-performing offers that fit your audience and the kind of content you already make. When you're ready, join an offer by clicking Become Affiliate. If you've already joined, the button may show View Assets instead. After you're in, click View Assets and copy your referral link. That unique link is how Whop tracks your sales, so keep it handy and use the exact link provided. Now promote your link. Share it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Discord, and create content designed to drive clicks. Short tutorials, quick reviews, or before and after results work well. Place the link in your bio, video descriptions, or a pinned comment so it's easy to find. Quick note, I've put the official Whop website link at the top of the description for this video, so you can log in or download the app version if you prefer. As clicks start coming in, track your performance in the Refer Buyers tab. You'll see clicks, conversions, and total earnings. Check this regularly to spot patterns. What topics attract the most clicks? Which offers convert? And which platforms bring the best traffic? Then scale what works. Double down on high conversion offers, recycle and update content that gets views, and prioritize the platforms that consistently deliver traffic. Keep testing thumbnails, hooks, and captions, but change one variable at a time so you know what moved the needle. Finally, get paid. You earn money each time someone buys through your link, so keep creating, keep optimizing, and let the data guide your next move. That's the complete beginner guide to affiliate marketing on Whop. Thanks for watching.